Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to play Geometry Dash Stereo Madness. Firstly, go to geometry-subzero.net/stereo madness. Wait a few seconds for the game to load. Now click play or the game screen to begin. The level Stereo Madness will start automatically. Use your keyboard to control the cube. Click the mouse, press the spacebar or press the up arrow to jump. Time your jumps to the beat of the music and avoid spikes, gaps, and obstacles. If you crash, just click or press space to restart instantly. Just a tip, the music helps your time jumps. Play with sound on, and practice mode may be available if you want to train with checkpoints. And that's it guys, enjoy the beat and challenge. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.